Okay, we got another project here. We got 2 columns to do and a wainscot and a fireplace inside. So let's get right on it. This job has no power, so we're using a generator on this whole thing. It has no water either, so we brought our own water. We rigged up this pump, so we got power running from the generator over to this barrel. This barrel we just got out of the ranch dressing company. That it was full of ranch dressing. They had a whole bunch of these, so we got a couple of them. We had to kind of hack a hole in the top of it to get our pump down in there. And sometimes creatures get down in there, such a rat or a mouse. Anyway, here's the pump that we're using. Just a good old Home Depot pump. Everlast, I think that's the name of it. Ever built. Just has a garden hose adapter to it. Just drop it down the bottom there. Once you get it down there, it'll usually just siphon. So you lower it down, sometimes it'll just siphon without even pumping. But since I pulled it out of there, when I pulled the pump out, it probably got some air to it. But so we just plug it in. See, that's how fast it'll siphon that there. Just lift it up a little bit higher and higher than the pump, and it'll stop siphoning. The stone we're using is called Country Ledgestone Mojave. It's made by Cultured stone. Stone spread out, ready to do this. mark them out and cut them. The way I decide how to do these is I just measure the width of the column. This one's 29 inches roughly. They vary slightly, so it's about 29 is a pretty good average. So measure the width. So we want to hang past about 1.5 inches on each side, so we'd add 3 inches. So we're going to mark these at 32, so it'll be about 1 3/4 inches by the time we do our 1/2 inch joint in the middle. So I'm marking these at 16 inches. Already got them scribed. Scratch it with your tape measure as you go, and you bring it over to this side, hold it right there just like that. Push down on this side and scratch it with your tape. These caps are fairly soft, so it puts a line in them real easy. Still got one more column to cap. Column caps finished up. We're all finished up with these columns. Looking really great. Fireplace is coming along nicely. These columns are really deceptive. They're about 30 inches square. So if you opened up that column, it would be 10 feet long of wall area. So it'd be 10 feet of wall each. So those two columns would be the same square footage as doing 20-foot wall by 14 and almost 15 feet tall. Got this fireplace all done up. About 15 feet tall. No mantle. Not sure why they didn't do one, but normally we have bars sticking out of there that hold the mantle in place. And usually we do a hearth. This one they didn't want either.